Hey tech aficionados, a big welcome to Must Watch Before Buying, the best robot vacuums of 2024. Join us as we delve into the world of high-tech cleaning with the most innovative robot vacuums this year has to offer. Are you on the hunt for the ultimate robot vacuum that combines powerful cleaning capabilities with smart, autonomous operations? Look no further. From deep cleaning suction power to advanced navigation systems, we've rigorously tested and ranked the front runners to unveil the top-tier robot vacuums that will revolutionize your home cleaning routine. Curious to see which models are setting new standards in robotic cleaning? Stay right here as we reveal the best robot vacuums of 2024 that every homeowner, from the tech-savvy to the busy bee, should consider. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. You won't want to miss out on our comprehensive reviews and the latest in home technology trends. Yes, friends, we are here with the first product of our video where we will talk about the best robot vacuum cleaners of 2024. And boy, do I have a treat for you, the Dreamatech DreamBot D10 Plus. Now, when you hear about a robot vacuum that's priced under $400, you might wonder if it can truly deliver. Let me tell you, the DreamBot D10 Plus isn't just good, it's a game changer in home cleaning technology. What sets this robot apart? First off, it's packed with features like a self-emptying dustbin and a built-in mopping pad, typically found in models that'll set you back at least $500. But here's the kicker. It offers all these premium features while costing hundreds less. Skeptical? I was too, until I saw it in action. This little powerhouse performs excellently across various surfaces. On low-pile and mid-pile carpets, it hangs tight with the best in the biz. Hardwood floors, the DreamBot D10 Plus outperforms nearly all its rivals, leaving your floors spotless. And thanks to its cutting-edge LiDAR and laser-aided navigation, it navigates your home with the precision you'd expect from high-end brands like Nido and Roborock. Worried about constant maintenance? Forget it. The self-emptying dock can hold up to 5L of dust and debris, which means you can sit back and relax for up to 45 days without worrying about emptying it. And the best part, despite its robust capabilities, it's sleeker and more compact than many other bulkier models on the market. Now here's the real deal. This top-tier, versatile floor cleaner is available on Amazon for just $399. Yes, you heard that right. $399 for a state-of-the-art robot vacuum that promises to make cleaning a breeze. So if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning without breaking the bank, the DreamBot D10 Plus is your best bet. Smash that like button if you enjoyed this review and subscribe. We will continue to bring you the best of technology, so stay tuned. Hey friends, we are here with the second product of our video where we will talk about the best robot vacuum cleaners of 2024. Now, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums with a focus on the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus, a true titan in tackling pet hair and plush carpets. If you're battling pet fur and demanding carpet fibers, you're in for a treat with this powerhouse. Back in the day, the Roomba S9 Plus set records in our tests, particularly shining on thick plush carpets where it impressively sucked up 71% of sand buried deep in the fibers, outperforming every other model we've tested. Although testing methods have evolved, there's no doubt that the S9 Plus would still hold its crown in today's competitive field. But it's not just about carpets. The S9 Plus is a pet owner's dream. In our rigorous pet hair pickup tests, which involved actual clumps of pet hair from a local groomer, the S9 Plus didn't leave a single strand behind. This vacuum combines relentless suction and smart navigation to ensure your floors are spotless. While it doesn't boast mopping capabilities and shows average performance on hardwood floors, the strengths of the S9 Plus lie in its carpet performance and pet hair removal. Plus, its self-emptying feature means less hassle for you and more continuous cleaning. Now, ready for the best part? This vacuuming hero is available on Amazon for just $700. Yes, only $700 for top-notch cleanliness in a home filled with pets and plush carpets. Smash that like button if you enjoyed this review and subscribe. We will continue to bring you the best of technology, so stay tuned. Yes, friends, we are here with the third product of our video where we will talk about the best robot vacuum cleaners of 2024. Now we're diving into an incredible piece of cleaning tech, the iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Plus. If you've ever dreamed of a robot that can both vacuum and mop with high intelligence, this device might just be your new best friend. Unlike other models that tack on a mopping feature as an afterthought, the Roomba Combo J7 Plus brings a game-changing innovation. It features a motor motorized mopping pad that smartly lifts itself when it detects carpets. No more dragging a wet mop across your freshly vacuumed carpet. This clever design ensures your hardwood floors get the cleaning they need without compromising your carpets. I took the Roomba Combo J7 Plus for a spin in my own home, which has a mix of carpets and hardwood floors. It impressed me right from the start with its ability to differentiate between floor types, never once failing to lift the mop when transitioning onto carpet. It's not just smart, it's thoughtful, making it a standout for anyone who wants a truly automated cleaning experience. While it's a champion on various floor types, finishing in the top 5 in all our tests, it's not just about mopping. This Roomba is a solid vacuum too, packing enough punch to handle pet hair, dust, and debris with ease. The only downside? It lacks a water tank in the dock, so you'll need to fill the reservoir before each mopping session. But let's talk value. For what it offers, the Roomba Combo J7 Plus comes in at an incredible price. You can grab this versatile high-tech cleaner on Amazon for just $800. Yes, just $800 to revolutionize the way you clean your home. So if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning routine with a robot that can truly do it all, the iRobot Roomba Combo 7 Plus is worth every penny. Smash that like button if you enjoyed this review, and don't forget to subscribe. We will continue to bring you the best of technology, so stay tuned. Hey friends, we are here with the last product of our video where we will talk about the best robot vacuum cleaners of 2024. Now we're looking at the king of splurges in the robot vacuum world, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. Brace yourselves because this isn't just any robot vacuum, it's a powerhouse packed with some of the most advanced cleaning tech you can find. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra is the most expensive robot vacuum we've reviewed, and it's clear why. Retailing at $1,600, with current sales bringing it down to $1,400 on Amazon, this machine combines ultra-strong 6,000 Pascal suction power with a dual-brush sweeping system that's a dream for anyone dealing with everything from fine dust to larger debris on a variety of floor types. But it's not just about suction. The S8 Pro Ultra steps up its game with the VibraRise 2.0 mopping system, scrubbing your hard floors at an impressive 3,000 times per minute to tackle even the most stubborn stains and smudges. And if your space includes multiple types of flooring, have no fear. The Roborock's Smart 3D obstacle avoidance system and LiDAR navigation effortlessly recognize changes in surface, lifting the mop to keep your carpets dry. Despite its high price tag, the features justify the cost for those who demand the best. From powerful multi-surface cleaning to exceptional obstacle recognition, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra is not just a purchase. It's an investment in making your home cleaner and your life easier. So if you're looking for the ultimate robot vacuum that marries sophistication with brute cleaning power, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra is available right now on Amazon for just $1,400. Smash that like button if you enjoyed this review, and don't forget to subscribe. We will continue to bring you the best of technology, so stay tuned. And that's a wrap on our journey through the best robot vacuums of 2024. If you love diving deep into these innovative cleaning machines with us and want more insider reviews to help guide your next purchase, don't just watch. Join our community. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to never miss out on our expert insights. Your perfect cleaning companion is just a video away. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe.